people are unaware that there are simpler ways to trade Bitcoin that do not include complex procedures. A very large number of people use these methods on a daily basis to generate passive income, some are even doing it full-time. In this video, we take an in-depth look at P2P, or peer-to-peer trading, so you can have a better understanding of how you make profit from this well-known trading method.
You are watching Cryptopia TV.
Welcome to Cryptopia TV. On this channel, we will be sharing information videos on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoin, and the future of finance. If any of these interest you, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos, and as you do, I wish you 600 years of favor. Cryptocurrency trading and investing is definitely risky, and it is highly suggested that you consult a professional financial advisor or do your own research before you sign up with any cryptocurrency exchanges. And also, bear in mind that information changes from time to time, and the information that you might see here might not be that updated by the time you see this video. So, again, always be sure to do your own research and check the cryptocurrency exchange's website for the most updated information. Now let's begin, shall we? Peer-to-peer trading, commonly known as P2P trading, entails a couple of people selling or buying cryptocurrencies directly from each other. It is a type of trading in which vendors and buyers register on a website known as a peer-to-peer platform, marketplace, or exchange. You can eventually post advertisements for cryptocurrencies to be purchased or sold with a specific price range of your choice and location. In other words, you have total control of your trade. The procedure is quite similar to selling things on eBay or Craigslist, in a manner that the vendor and buyer engage directly with the buyer to land at a given price, very simple and straightforward. However, the unique thing in this situation is that you are buying and selling cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Consider the situation when you wish to buy Bitcoin from a person who lives nearby. The P2P exchange can help you connect with the right individual, at the right moment, and at the right location, so you can receive the best trading price and pay with a means that is convenient for both of you. Binance is an excellent choice when it comes to peer-to-peer trading, as it gives access to a number of withdrawal options, payment methods, and transaction execution times. To access peer-to-peer, margin, or futures trading platforms, users must complete the Know Your Customer process. To make money on Binance peer-to-peer trading, you have to first publish buy and sell ads. Binance peer-to-peer ad posting feature is designed to meet the different goals and needs of the crypto community. You can set a thin price spread to reach more customers, or set a wide price spread to generate more revenue for yourself. Arbitrage is the practice of trading assets on different markets and profiting off the slight price differences. The first step, find cryptocurrencies available on both Binance Spot and the peer-to-peer market. Next, go through each currency till you find a profitable price difference. Once you've found a suitable price difference, the final step is buy low and sell high. If you are thinking of making extra income for yourself using Binance peer-to-peer platform, take advantage of crypto arbitrage. Here is an example. Let's say you see Bitcoin price on the spot market on Binance is $68,228.90 USDT. On the peer-to-peer market, there is an offer to sell Bitcoin at $68,990 US.90. You can buy Bitcoin at $68,228.90 USDT on the spot market, then sell it at $68,990.90 on the peer-to-peer market. With a bit of time and money, all you need to do is search the market for fiat price differences that you can quickly leverage. One of the advantages of Binance peer-to-peer is the fast transactions. This means that you can complete a secure and fast peer-to-peer trade with selected merchants from any part of the world in 15 minutes or less. Binance has one of the largest and most supportive crypto communities in the world. If you encounter a problem during a peer-to-peer trade and are unable to reach an agreement with your counterparty, you can seek assistance from Binance customer care staff. Trusted by millions of users, a lot of users prefer Binance peer-to-peer for their daily crypto trading for its industry-leading security. To ensure users can safely trade crypto with other users, every trade on Binance peer-to-peer goes through an escrow service. What this means is that once you match and start dealing with a suitable buyer, your cryptocurrency is temporarily deposited until you confirm the funds have reached your bank account. If an issue arises during the transaction, you can file an appeal, and customer service will help you resolve the problem. This implies that if the seller takes your money and does not deliver your crypto, or if the seller forgets to release your crypto on time, the customer service team of Binance can transfer the asset from the seller's wallet's reserved funds to your wallet. I hope you find this video useful, and if you are already trading on the Binance peer-to-peer platform, do share your experiences with us in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this episode of Cryptopia TV. Bear in mind that information changes from time to time, and the information that you might see here might not be that updated by the time you see this video. So, again, always be sure to do your own research and check the cryptocurrency exchange's website for the most updated information. Till next video, I remain your favorite. May the 4th be with you, and may the odds ever be in your favor. See you in the next one.